At SpaceWorks Enterprises, we are developing the next generation toolset for weapons separation evaluation called Kingfisher. This tool is being developed under NAVAIR topic N231-006, and this presentation will provide an overview of our company, the Navy's operational need, the Kingfisher solution, and our transition plan to commercialize this tool. SpaceWorks was founded in Atlanta, Georgia as a spin-off of the Georgia Tech Space Systems Design Lab in 2000 under our founder, Dr. John Olds. Over the past 25 years, SpaceWorks has directly supported customers in the Department of Defense, NASA, government primes, and the new space industry through trusted, high-fidelity design and analysis of hypersonic platforms, space vehicles, and entry systems. This includes extensive analysis of multiple fielded high-speed flight systems, such as our product line of reentry vehicles and our internally developed X-60A hypersonic testbed, which included store separation modeling, a case where a tool like Kingfisher would have been a significant asset to the development effort. Under the leadership of CEO Dr. John Bradford and CTO Dr. Brad St. Germain, SpaceWorks has grown to a 50-person team with experience spanning major aerospace primes, commercial space ventures, and top-ranked research institutions. SpaceWorks specializes in advanced system concept development, hypersonic research, and market forecasting. We deliver innovative modeling, simulation, and software tools to government and commercial customers. Our team also has a track record of hardware development, including rapid prototyping and flight testing of advanced propulsion systems, reentry technologies, in-space robotics, precision delivery platforms, and GPS-denied navigation systems. The SpaceWorks software team has developed multiple aerospace engineering analysis tools that are commercially available and can create custom software solutions as needed. These commercial tools include QuickShot for trajectory optimization, Manta for high-speed air-breathing propulsion design, Cart3D Plus for rapid CFD and aerodynamic analysis, RedTop for liquid rocket engine design, and Conductor as a workflow integration environment. Given our combined experience in engineering analysis and software development, including prior work on store separation, SpaceWorks is well positioned to develop Kingfisher, the focus of this presentation. The design of air-launched store systems is greatly influenced by the aircraft separation phase of flight. Aircraft separation is a complex phase of flight to model, combining multi-body aerodynamics and ejection forces. However, safe separation is a requirement for any air-launched store, so the ability to confidently model and assess store separation early in the design process is essential. SpaceWorks is collaborating with the Navy to develop a novel toolset that improves upon legacy store separation solvers. These capabilities will support early phase design assessments, reduce risk, and ensure both pilot and aircraft safety, as well as maintain system controllability during the separation phase. The current 6DOF store separation tools used by the NAVAIR's store separation branch are NAVSEP and FLIP. These legacy tools lack commercial-grade software development, documentation, support, and upkeep, nor can they take full advantage of modern computational capabilities or easily integrate into modern workflows. Users must rely on a mix of custom scripts and their preferred legacy tools to run each case, resulting in inconsistent and unstandardized workflows. These limitations have made it difficult for store separation design teams to keep up with the advancement and the complexity of air-launched systems and aircraft platforms. The key improvements we look to make in the Kingfisher tool were to develop the code using a modern programming language for continued maintenance and development, improve the efficiency and reliability of results, a more intuitive problem setup between aspects of the analysis cycle, and the allowance of batch case execution. Additionally, we have made improvements in flexible input handling and provided necessary reference guides and documentation for users. SpaceWorks is developing Kingfisher as a simple, state-of-the-art software suite for air-launched store separation, modeling, and simulation, featuring a 6DOF equations of motion solver, an integrated visualization workflow, built-in run management for batch Monte Carlo analysis, and a misdistance calculator for evaluating proximity between the aircraft and store. As we continue to build up the 6DOF solver's capabilities, its behavior is being verified against customer-provided test cases covering external forces, ejection, and constrained motion to eliminate instances of inaccurate modeling or undesired physics. Similarly, the misdistance calculator's results are being verified against output data from legacy codes and showing exact matches with a lesser computational cost. We have also made significant progress in developing a data explorer allowing for the user to interrogate large sets of store separation simulation data and to conduct Monte Carlo uncertainty analysis, and a user-friendly simulation visualizer to animate the store separation event in 3D using Unreal Engine 5. Kingfisher's development began under a completed Phase 1 SBIR and is under an ongoing Phase 2 through June 2026. In Phase 1, SpaceWorks created proof-of-concept software executables for the 6DOF equations of motion and missed-distance calculator core solvers, as well as the simulation visualizer. In Phase 2, we have and will continue to develop a simplistic workflow to incorporate these functions while improving run management and allowing for better data analysis. In addition to feature development milestones, Kingfisher's core solvers have been verified and validated against several test cases and legacy tools. At the conclusion of this Phase 2, SpaceWorks will deliver a ready-to-use store separation tool that can be directly integrated into the Navy's workflow. The 6 key features of Kingfisher: technical documentation, cross-platform compatibility, the flexible 6DOF solver, efficient missed-distance calculator, visualization tool, and ongoing support demonstrate the significant improvements being made from existing workflows. This enhanced documentation provides insight into the underlying physics dictating how the solver operates and will be regularly updated with Kingfisher's ongoing maintenance, feature additions, and version releases. Next, the tool's cross-platform compatibility allows for a streamlined workflow without the need for switching operating systems to run each program. Kingfisher's multi-threaded capabilities allow the core solvers to rapidly determine proximity calculations for a wide range of store separation scenarios. Finally, in developing the simulation visualizer using Unreal Engine 5, users can better understand and communicate the separation event with modern 3D graphics. SpaceWorks has a proven track record in the development and commercialization of commercial off-the-shelf software products initially funded by SBIR and enabling technologies for high-speed operable systems, Ethos, contracts. Examples include QuickShot, a trajectory optimization software suite, and Manta, a high-speed propulsion modeling and optimization software tool. SpaceWorks plans to leverage our deep experience in selling both QuickShot and Manta to market the final software product from this effort to both government and commercial customers. SpaceWorks plans to offer Kingfisher as a COTS software product, and given the niche nature of the tool and relatively small market, competition from a similar product is expected to be limited. We believe the commercial market for this tool to be approximately 10 to 15 companies, and based on experience from previous commercial software sales, it will take about 4 years for maximum market penetration, estimated to be about 40 to 50% of potential users. Thus, initial marketing efforts will focus on DoD and US companies only, with further exploration of other revenue streams, including research institutes and universities as secondary targets. The global precision-guided munition market was valued at $37.2 billion in 2025, with steady 5.9% growth expected through 2030. Air-launched munitions remain a critical capability area for U.S. and allied forces, with several aerospace prime contractors dominating the design, development, and production of these systems. These organizations represent the primary customer base for store separation modeling and simulation tools like Kingfisher. Kingfisher is tailored for a focused but enduring segment of the design software market. It addresses a critical engineering need in the early stage design and testing of air launch systems, providing users with a reliable, modern solution to evaluate separation performance, ensure flight safety, and reduce risk during integration. We anticipate an initial adoption by approximately 5 core customers, with steady expansion to 12 to 15 customers by 2030. These will primarily include DoD prime contractors and select aerospace firms supporting government programs. We have already demonstrated the tool to 2 aerospace companies, including one Tier 1 and one Tier 2 prime, both of whom have expressed strong interest. Kingfisher will be fully operational by the end of the Phase 2 effort. No additional investment will be required to scale or deploy the tool. Rather than pursuing broad commercial distribution, SpaceWorks is focused on delivering a high-impact capability with long-term utility across a focused set of defense and aerospace customers. If you wish to learn more about Kingfisher, SpaceWorks' other products and services, or explore collaboration opportunities, please reach out to myself, Zach Dearman, at the email contact provided below. Thank you for your interest in Kingfisher, and I hope to see you at our booth. Thank you.